Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Rosario Salazar, and I will be speaking a little bit about childhood obesity. Obesity is defined as having excess body fat. BMI is a widely used screening tool for measuring obesity. BMI is a calculation that uses height and weight to estimate how much body fat someone has. In the United States, the percentage of children affected by obesity has more than tripled since the 1970s. Facts about childhood obesity. Only 2% of children in the U.S. eat a healthy meal. Childhood obesity can reduce life expectancy by 5 or more years. 70% of obese children already have at least one risk factor for heart disease. Overweight and obese children are 52% more likely to develop asthma. Almost half of all children's type 2 diabetes diagnoses are related to obesity. The healthcare cost related to childhood obesity reaches an estimated $14 billion every year. An estimated 1 out of every 4 kids is considered obese. Our group now will talk about our research study design that focuses on childhood obesity in the Fresno County. Thank you for watching.